and I need to protect the stone, so generally what I do is I push the blue tack up to the claw, like so. Okay.
You can do a photo when you finish.
Yeah, fine. So basically that's where the claw is going on. Okay.
Okay, just 1 second.
I normally go up full power and then I just ease it back first, just so I don't get, you know, I get an idea how it's going to take. So on my, I've set these so it's in automatic focus, so I don't have to keep focusing it, these armrests.
Yeah, makes sense.
So what I do is I do that, can you see?
Yeah.
Put one on and then I wiggle the wire off, and again make sure you get your, wiggle it off again, okay? Can you see it building up?
Yeah.
And I'll just put another layer on, put that in focus, like so. And that's building up nicely. So what you can do is once I've done that, I can actually go over it like this, just tidy it up. I'm hoping I haven't hit the stone there. Can you see how round that is?
Yeah,
So
not really, I can see probably later on the photo.
You can shape it with the laser, tidy it up.
By just pushing from
Yeah,
some angles.
can you see if I turn that
Yeah.
around, you can see it, just pull that back and see if I haven't done it as a stone. There we go. Doors don't need to cover the stone. And because this is only a CZ ring, it's not a clear ring, they don't really care, do they? Just do it anyhow now. So all I'm doing is just tidying these up, like so. This is what I would do. Okay.
Just make it small,
I would
not too
tidy them up, yeah. So if I go, what I'm doing now. Okay. So they all match.
Yeah, and
You can take a photo of this as well when it's done as well.